When you look for the best phone mount for your Highlander, everything seems pretty much the same. Same designs, same promises, but if you dig a little deeper, you'll find the real differences that could make or break your driving experience. Product number 1, Miracase Car Phone Holder. First up is the Miracase Phone Holder, priced at $12.98. This one caught my eye because it's a bestseller with over 43,000 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating. If you want a reliable and sturdy holder for your Highlander, this is worth a serious look. What sets the Miracase apart? Its military-grade metal hook design means it won't fall off, even in the bumpiest of rides. The one-hand operation feature is a lifesaver, allowing you to easily insert and remove your phone while driving. Plus, the 360-degree rotation gives you the flexibility to view your phone from any angle, which is great when you need to navigate. With over 10,000 units sold just this last month, it's clearly popular. Now, some users have complained that it doesn't fit well with round vents. Here's the thing though, if you have horizontal or vertical vents like most Highlanders, you shouldn't have any issues. It's perfect for those who prioritize stability and ease of use. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly, dependable phone holder. Skip this one if you have round air vents, as it might not fit securely. For the price, you really can't go wrong with it. Product number 2, Autorder Custom Fit Phone Holder. Next is the Autorder Custom Fit Phone Holder, retailing for $21.88. This product really stands out because it's designed specifically for the 2020-2025 Toyota Highlander. If you're looking for something that blends seamlessly with your car's interior, take a closer look at this one. What's great about the Autorder mount is its integrated design that doesn't block your air outlet. Plus, the 360-degree rotation gives you easy access to your phone without compromising safety. Made from high-grade ABS material, it looks and feels premium. With a rating of 4.3 stars from 1,100 reviews, it's clearly a favorite among Highlander owners. However, some users mention that the installation could be tricky without proper guidance. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's a straightforward process. This is especially true for those who prefer a cleaner look without additional mounts cluttering their dashboard. This is perfect for you if you want a phone mount that matches your Highlander's aesthetics. Skip it if you need something that's compatible with other vehicles, as it's vehicle-specific. For the quality, it's a solid investment. Product number 3, Jubora Phone Holder. Coming in at $22.47 is the Jubora Phone Holder. What caught my attention is its hands-free 360-degree rotation and stylish design. It really looks like an OEM part. If you want a mount that's both functional and visually appealing, check this one out. Like the Autorder, this one is custom fit for the 2020-2025 Highlander. The durable ABS construction means it can withstand daily wear and tear. Plus, with the one-hand operation feature, you can easily adjust your phone without taking your eyes off the road. It's rated 4.2 stars from over 500 reviews, which is pretty solid. That said, some users found that the mount wobbles a bit over rough terrain. Here's the thing, if you drive mostly on smooth roads, you'll likely love this holder. But if you frequently traverse bumpy paths, it might not be your best bet. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a stylish and functional design. Skip it if you often drive on uneven roads and need more stability. For the price and aesthetics, it's a great deal. Product number 4, PZK Wireless Charging Car Mount. Next up is the PZK Car Phone Mount, priced at $33.99. This one really caught my eye because it includes a 15W fast wireless charger, a total game changer if you're always on the go. If you want convenience and functionality, you might want to consider this. What's impressive about this mount is that it's custom fit for the Highlander, ensuring that it won't block your air vents. The magnetic adsorption keeps your phone secure, while the adjustable 360-degree rotation lets you position your phone at the perfect angle. Plus, it intelligently prevents overheating during charging, which is a huge plus for battery longevity. With a decent rating of 4.2 stars from 211 reviews, users seem pretty satisfied. However, some users found the installation process a bit complicated. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who rely heavily on their phones for navigation and need a reliable charging option. This is perfect for you if you want a wireless charging option that's also secure. Skip this if you're not a fan of magnetic mounts, as some users prefer a more traditional hold. For the added charging convenience, it's worth its price. Product number 5, PZK 12.3-inch magnetic charger. Lastly, we have another PZK option, specifically for the Highlander Limited Platinum with a 12.3-inch screen, priced at $35.99. If you own this version and need a solid phone mount, this might be the one for you. This mount offers the same powerful 15W fast wireless charging feature and magnetic hold as the previous PZK model. The 360-degree rotation means you can adjust your phone to your preferred angle without hassle. It also shares a solid 4.2-star rating from the same number of reviews as the last product. However, like the other PZK mount, some users mentioned that it could be a bit tricky to install. But if you take your time, you'll appreciate how well it fits and functions once it's set up correctly. This mount is especially great for those who prioritize both charging and stability in their phone holder. This is perfect for you if you own the Highlander Limited Platinum and want a reliable charging option. Skip this if you have the 8-inch version, as it won't fit. For the features it offers, it's a good investment. To wrap it up, we've looked at 5 great phone mounts for your Highlander. The Mira case offers solid reliability at a low price, while the Autorder and Jubora bring stylish designs and functionality. The PZK options are fantastic if you need fast charging. Each has its strengths, so consider your needs before making a choice.